Welcome to day one of 31 days of Python for operations professionals. In Python, int is essential for handling large whole numbers. In Python, assigning an integer value to a variable is extremely easy. We just type in the variable name that we want to use an equal sign, and then put in the integer value. X is now equal to 5, and it's an integer. You can use an underscore, kind of like you use a comma when writing large numbers. In some programming languages, really large numbers cannot be assigned a value of an integer. In Python, this is no problem, and we could see that it handled that all however many nines that is, a lot. I want to find out all the items in this list, the number of items that are less than 10. We get 9 things. This is an extremely simple example, but for large data operations and evaluations, integers can be extremely powerful and or essential for Python mastery. Join me tomorrow for more Python insights. Until then, happy coding.